Good evening, everyone. Thanks for joining us. I'm Terry McSwaney.
And I'm Anusha Rasta. It's not the UK strain that's dominated the headlines in recent weeks. It's actually another strain that's now circulating here. Something that's not unexpected, but also not without concern.
Yeah, it's been detected in San Francisco and Santa Clara counties, as well as up and down California. And tonight we are learning this particular strain is linked to that massive outbreak at San Jose Kaiser Hospital. NBC Bay Area Sergio Quintana has more.
The Kaiser San Jose outbreak involved dozens of employees, including one who died. More than a dozen patients also contracted COVID, and tonight public health officials say this new coronavirus variant is part of that outbreak. They're still trying to figure out why it spread so quickly.
Was there, some change in ventilation or some change in how personal protective equipment was used, or some staff turnover, or some other condition present?
Right now, public health officials do not have enough data to conclude that this variant, called L452R, is more transmissible or more deadly. But in the places where it has been spotted, including Santa Clara County and San Francisco here in the Bay Area, it has spread pretty quickly.
As of November, we were seeing, less than 5%, fewer than 5% of the cases in San Francisco. But, now we're seeing roughly a quarter of the infections as of 2 weeks ago.
Dr. Charles Chu is one of the lead virologists here at UCSF. One of the big questions that he and his fellow researchers now have is how effective will the vaccine be against this new variant?
These are exactly the same kinds of concerns that have been raised with the UK variant, for instance, and the South African variant. And this is why these are critical studies that need to be done.
So far, researchers have been able to start growing cultures of the L452R mutation to see how it reacts in the lab. Public health officials have said the vaccines should be effective against these mutations, which are always expected in a pandemic. Sergio Quintana, NBC Bay Area News.